Hey there, are you running a business?
Do you want to gain profit effortlessly?
No matter if your business is small, medium, or large, you should definitely need an ERP software to manage all your business activities.
Are you having trouble deciding on an ERP?
Don't worry, we are here.
Cybrosys, the Odoo Gold partner, is a leading company with 15 plus years of experience. We are ranked first in Odoo apps and themes downloads.
And we are the author of Open HRMS.
We have 1,000 plus blogs exploring the potentialities of Odoo.
We are experts in all versions of Odoo.
We have contributed 550 plus modules in the Odoo App Store.
We are enriched with expert UI UX designers. Cybrosys provide service in both community and enterprise editions of Odoo.
We also provide high-quality deliverables.
We have high coding standards.
We are also the top contributors of industrial add-ons. 2 Cybrosys apps are downloaded in every 2 minutes.
2 Cybrosys blogs are written every second.
And 3 videos are watched in every minute. Cybrosys provides Odoo integration services as well.
We offer various social media integrations like Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, Twilio, and Telegram.
We provide integrations on devices, SMS gateways, payment gateways, and also third-party software integrations.
Don't hesitate. Come to Cybrosys.
We're always ready to help you.